Alright guys, this is Matthew here, best of Haiti with the States. Again, what we have here is a beautiful piece of land. It's half a cow. If you look under this video, you will see the exact size. But guys, this is for sale in Cormier, Cap-Haitian. This is a beautiful piece of land by the road. It's a lot of land and the owner will not sell in pieces. You have to buy all of it. It's by the road. This is the main road to Labadee. This is exactly about 5 to 7 minutes to Labadee. This is the main road going down. And this is the top of the road going up. If you want to go to the city, to the main city of Cap-Haitian, this is where you go. If you go into Labadee, the touristy area where the big boats, international tourist boats comes, this is where you go, Labadee. Guys, this is the ocean. No joke. This is the ocean you're looking at right here. Right here's the ocean. So let me show you the land first. This is the land. And here, you're looking at here, the surrounding is the ocean. This is the Caribbean Sea. From the land, I'm standing right on the bottom of the land, looking at the Caribbean Sea to the right of the road. This is all available for sale in Labadee. So let's say this is Oceanview, because I'm standing on the land on the other side of the road. What you're seeing right here is the road. Right here is the ocean. This is the ocean right here. Across the road, ocean across the road, and make a 360 view is the land for sale in Cormier. This is a lot of land. I have the exact number written, but not on me right now. So on the bottom of this video, the description, you will see the exact size. This is all for sale. And the owner decided they will not sell in pieces. So somebody interested had to buy the entire land. This is in Cormier. Look at the beautiful ocean view. Look at it, the gorgeous ocean view. This is in Cormier, Cap-Haitian. Ça c'est dans Cormier, Cap-Haïtien. 2000 cows. As you can see, part of the wall is already built. This land behind the wall is for somebody else. It's not for sale. But inside of the wall here, all right here, are for sale. So you have a little piece of wall that's already built by the other landowner on the other side. But this is it, guys. Half a cow. I will do the conversion and put it on the bottom of this video for you guys. I will give it to you in square meters and in centiemes. I'm standing right on top of a rock. Big stone that you can use. All the stones here you can use to build properties, to build houses. That's a lot of stones on the land, guys. So you will not have to go anywhere else to find prime ocean stone to build your properties. See, you can hear the wave of the ocean right here. See, you can hear it, the wave of the ocean grounding, guys. Rawr. This is in Cormier, Cap-Haitian. Half a cow. It's not acres, but I will convert all of that for you. In Haitian language, it's cow or centiemes. I will convert all of that for you and put it on the descriptions of the video or the website. It says Oceanview and the beautiful mountains on top, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Again, this is Matthew Lewis, the best of Haiti with the States. Guys, call us, email us, text us. Whatever you do, guys, do not miss on this piece of beautiful, gorgeous piece of land. This is in one of the most secure area. This is just 5 to 7 minutes drive to Labadee. In fact, you can walk to Labadee from here. You get the road, see? The cars on the road passing by. Guys, call us, email us, text us. Whatever you do, do not sleep on this, guys. It's a lot of demands for this land and it's not going to last. Get your piece of paradise right here, guys, in Cap-Haitian near Labadee. This is next to Labadee, guys. You can build whatever you want. This is mostly suggested because it's a lot of land. It's mostly suggested for hotel, resorts, retiree homes, or private property. Who doesn't want to have a private property right here? A private mansion with the mountains on the back, on the very back of you, and the gorgeous, beautiful ocean in front of you. Who doesn't want that? This is very private because the road is super small leading to Labadee, and this is your private paradise right here, guys. Ciao.